Hi, I'm Lakshman. I'm working as a Java developer in Spiro Group of Companies. Let me explain my cloud project. Identity-based encryption with outsourced revocation in cloud computing. In this paper, aiming at tackle the critical issue of identity revocation. The outsourcing computation for the first time and proposing IBE scheme. Our scheme offload most of our key generation retail operation during key. The cloud service provider leaving only a constant number of simple operations for PKG users to perform locally. In the existing system, one of the main efficiency drawback is its computation at PKG during user revocation is failed. In proposed system, we introduce a outsourced revocation computation to propose a revocable scheme in which the revocation operation are delegated to CSP. The algorithm used in existing system is encryption algorithm, and the proposed algorithm is key generation and encryption algorithm. The algorithm definition is to improve upon the scalability of above solutions for one-to-many encryption. In the proposed algorithm definition, the ciphertext policy attribute-based encryption scheme is introduced. The drawback of existing system is secure data sharing among group is in malicious users is failed. In proposed system, the advantages is we implement a working prototype of the methodology and evaluate its performance based on the time consumed. The applications used in this project is various finance and security features and the concerned members states. The hardware requirements are Pentium 4 2.6 GHz, Intel Core 2 Duo, and in software requirements we'll use JSP servlets, struts as a front end and MySQL as a back end. And the tool that used to develop this Eclipse. The future enhancement, we propose another construction which is provable secure under the recently formalized reference delegation. The algorithm that is used in future setup is setup algorithm, where the setup algorithm takes as a input security parameter and the public key as a master key. The advantages of future system is it will verify the attribute of users who does the function of data. Now let's see the system architecture diagram. In the system architecture diagram, first the user upload the data where the key will be attached to the particular data and it will be stored in the public server, and this will be converted into the encrypted format, and this store can be retrieved only through two types of key, the private key and public key, and through the key ID the data can be retrieved with a perfect match. Thank you.